how to fix this today. We're going off the ignition switch, just the electrical part of this. So I got this Phillips out here, and you wouldn't know it, but you got to pull this out. And there's a Phillips right there. Get that out, and it should let this drop out of the way. So got this off, got these little connectors off. You gotta press right there and they pop out. And then, so we got this other stuff going on here. So this is what we're going after, is this part right here. So this is what we're going after, this part here, this electrical portion. There's a Phillips here, and I think there's one on top. So we'll try to get this one Phillips here, and we'll go after the other one. Alright, so I got the other one already. As you can see, that's not there, but if you have a screwdriver like this, you can get up in there, get all this stuff. So we get this loose, and this switch should come out. I kind of jumped ahead and I took this out and the other connector out without showing you guys, but it's pretty simple stuff. Let's see if I got it. One out. Now we're just gonna take it out and put the new one in. Alright, so I've gotten this. You want the connector tang, this part right here down. I've already got my screws kind of in there, so we're gonna feed it up in there. Get that one started. Another one fell in my hand, so I'll have to get it back up in there. Alright, so let's get that connector popped in. Get this other connector pop in. Get this in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and try it. Alright, it works.
Thanks are good.